Hello. I'm on a pain pill, so bear with me. Something's wrong with my back. Anyway, there's this extra long straw just hanging out. So I want to know, on this pain pill, if you can do like that, what's it called? Chinese whispers? No, is that what it's called? Mm-hmm. Okay, that's good. Through a straw, you can do it through tin cans and all that, you know. Oh, you just see that arm? He is waiting to appear. No, say hello.
Hello.
To the peeps. Oh, come on now, you punka-pooka. Okay, anyway, I'm going to say something. What should we say? What should we say? Go away a second. Okay, and now sing. Cover your ears and sing. What should we say? Should we say? Can you hear me? Okay. Let's say sushi is the best food. No, that's a stupid one. Can you hear me? Okay. I want to do something random, don't you? Sushi. Eating sushi is like a wet fish on a hot day. Eating sushi is a wet fish on a hot day. Eating I'm really scared from this pill, I think. I never take pills. Eating. I don't know why I've got sushi in my head. Eating. Eating sushi is like slapping you in the face with a wet fish. Okay. Eating sushi is like slapping. It's like what? It's like being slapped in the face by a wet fish. Okay. Okay. Did you hear it? Are you lying? Okay, good. Alright, now you have to make an appearance. Come on. Just come in and say hello. Why am I so short? Alright, there we go. Alright, so.
Back now, but don't like. No, it's that forward when you see that.
Clever. Okay, put this to your ear. You ready? Wait, you gotta go on the. You gotta block. Sorry, about that. You gotta block the other ear. Okay.
Eating sushi is like being slapped in the face with a wet fish.
Yay! Extra long straws. Work, 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 work. Could you actually hear it through the straw, or could you actually hear me through your other ear?
No, it's true.
Cool, I want to hear it, yeah. Say something. Not too loud, it's like in my hole. You know, it fits in your hole. That's weird. It fits in your ear hole. It's ticklish. What? All I got was muffle moofer. Don't laugh in it. There you go. Can I hear what you're saying? Woo! Yeah, you're still muffled at you moofer.
You're not meant to be able to hear me outside of the straw.
I was blocking the other ear. Cool! You don't need tin cans. You just need giant straws. You don't need tin cans. Look, I just broke it. Oh no, the toddler's gonna be mad now. No, come on.